Alright, July 4th, 2009. This is why our dog is on a chain whenever we set off fireworks. Red, look, come here. You want to do another firework? You want to do another one? Yeah? You want to do another firework? Alright. He's more entertained than the kids. Red, you want to do one more? Come here. Come here. You want to do another one? Which one you want to do? Huh? Do you want to do this one? Here, we'll give it to Dad. Come here, Red. 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 Hey. Red, look. Red, say happy 4th of July. He wants to do more.